Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ryan, you're watching Brotuned, as you already know. Today, here's some Eley match Remington branded. For some reason, this stuff's going extinct since Remington is extinct. So let's just see what we can do. $16.99 Canadian for 50 rounds. Let's see what happens. So first up, what we're going to do, we're going to shoot 10 foulers at the center 2-inch sticky, and we'll get our 0 down. And then we'll shoot 4 more 5-shot groups, and then we'll show the data at the end and see how this thing groups through my CZ 457 LRP. Let's get to shooting. Well, that first one, way off left. That was the craziest fly I've ever seen from any ammo, basically. That's our first 5 shots. So I'm going to move it up, and we'll shoot another 5. Here we go. So far it's not looking too promising, but those are just foulers anyway, so the 5 that count, let's do it. I'm going to go top left. That looks all right. Now we're going to go low left. Another decent group. That looks all right. Wind's gusting pretty good right now, left to right. So I'll just wait till I see the mirage start settling down and boiling again. I will just go for it. Wow. Impressive. Didn't start off very nice, but by the end, damn, stuff's pretty accurate. So once again, it's the Eley match, but it's Remington branded. It seems to work really well in this gun with this setup. Let's take it to 100 yards now. I wasn't planning on doing a 100-yard test with this ammo in this wind, but since it grouped so good at 50, I might as well try it at 100 as well, to see if it's consistent at different ranges. So, got 10 more loaded up, got 2 stickies on the target at 100 yards. Let's see what we can do. Starting with the top one, I dialed up 1.5. See if we're pretty close with that. Okay. Looks pretty good. Ooh. Should have waited. Got a huge gust of wind right now. Oh, well, I'll just shoot the rest anyways. Wind from left to right's gusting pretty hard, and the group's pretty tight vertical, but horizontally it's huge. So I'll try the next one to watch the mirage a bit better and see if I can get them to go in the same gust, or in the same conditions anyways. For the next 5, okay, here we go. And that's that. It's 100 yards. Maybe I'll do one more. I'll dial up 0.5. 5 more shots. See what happens. And we'll get better crony data anyways. Actually, let's go up a bit. Well, that should print right between the 2 dots is where it should be printing now. Last shot. So the wind's killing us out here. If you're not subscribed already, please go down there, subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video. If you have any recommendations or anything you'd like to see, shoot them in the comments down below. Well, there's our groups at 100 yards. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.